Did you know that the 1973 Ford Mustang was the last of the classic muscle cars before the industry shifted gears? That's right. This iconic beauty marked the end of an era and is packed with unique features that make it a true collector's gem. From its bold, unmistakable design to the raw power under its hood, the 73 Mustang remains a symbol of American automotive excellence. Every car enthusiast needs to know why this car has earned its place in history. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of muscle car restoration, and our star of the show is the legendary 1973 Ford Mustang. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of freedom, power, and pure American engineering. Restoring a classic Mustang is like embarking on a journey back in time, and I'm here to walk you through the process, sharing the excitement and challenges that come with breathing new life into one of these iconic machines. Let's get real for a second. Restoring a 1973 Mustang isn't a walk in the park. First off, sourcing parts is no joke. Not every component is readily available, and tracking down those elusive original parts can be tricky and expensive. You might find yourself sifting through online forums, hitting up swap meets, or scouring specialized shops. Then, there's rust, the dreaded enemy of any classic car restoration. Dealing with rust often means hours of grinding, welding, and bodywork to make sure the car's structure is solid. And that's not all. You've got to figure out what should stay true to the car's original build and where it's okay to introduce modern upgrades without compromising authenticity. It's like solving a puzzle, but trust me, the reward at the end makes all the effort worthwhile. Alright, now that we've covered the challenges, let's dive into the heart of the restoration process. Here's how it all goes down. This is where you take the car down to its bare bones. Every bolt, nut, and piece of trim comes off, giving you a clean slate to work with. It's also the perfect time to evaluate what's salvageable and what needs to be replaced. Next, you'll tackle any dents, rust spots, or damage the body has sustained over the years. This is crucial to achieving that flawless, showroom-ready look. Now we're talking about where the real magic happens. You'll be cleaning, repairing, and maybe even upgrading components for a bit more horsepower. Whether you're sticking with the stock V8 or opting for a more powerful build, this step is all about getting that engine to roar like it did back in '73. The interior is just as important as the exterior. Replacing or restoring the seats, dashboard, and other details gives the car that polished, completed feel. Trust me, a freshly restored interior can elevate the entire experience, and remember, throughout the process, document everything. Taking before and after photos helps showcase just how far the car has come and can be a great way to tell the story of your restoration journey. Now, let's fast forward to the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. After weeks, or even months, of dedication, hard work, and patience, your fully restored Mustang is finally ready to make its grand entrance. Imagine this: the sun gleaming off its freshly polished paint, the engine rumbling to life, and that unmistakable Mustang profile turning heads. This is what it's all about, the thrill of seeing a classic car reborn. It's a moment full of emotion, from pride to nostalgia, and it's one you'll never forget. So there you have it. Restoring a 1973 Ford Mustang is a journey filled with challenges, but it's also one of the most rewarding projects you'll ever take on. From sourcing rare parts to battling rust and rebuilding an engine, every step brings you closer to preserving a piece of automotive history. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a first-time restorer, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of bringing a classic Mustang back to life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite classic muscle car, and what restoration projects are you working on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other content for more muscle car inspiration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey into the world of classic cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.